Welcome to the Oriental Medical Digest. Treatments differ depending on the cause, symptom, and the general condition of the patient. In Oriental medicine, the patient's physical constitution plays an important role in determining the best course of treatment. Treatment for tympanitis and inflammation of the inner ear works in the same way. Today, we'll look at the 3 causes of tympanitis and their respective cures. The human ear is composed of an outer, middle, and inner ear. An infection in your middle ear is called tympanitis. In Oriental medicine, tympanitis can be classified as 이통성 농이, which causes pain in the middle ears and accompanies inflammation, and 정이, where inflammation spreads in the middle ear. A middle ear infection occurs when bad energy with strong winds and cold air invade your ears. Then combines with hot energy inside the ear. If bad energy is the cause of tympanitis, acupuncture treatment can be applied. The points where acupuncture will be applied will change depending on whether it is an acute or chronic condition. Let's find out more about the method of acupuncture treatments for tympanitis.
This patient suffers from chronic tympanitis caused by inflammation and secretion of fluid from the middle ear. The patient always hears a buzzing sound. There are 2 treatments to cure chronic tympanitis. The antidote is to help blood circulation, to connect the meridian lines inside the ears, to open clogged ears, and reduce inflammation. Acupuncture therapy is first applied to the 이문혈, which is in the front of the ears. Next, acupuncture is applied to the 청회혈, which is an indention in the auricle of the ear. It helps the circulation of the blood to eliminate the ear infection and helps to relieve the inflammation of the ear. Then, to the 사독혈, between the wrist and the middle of the elbow, acupuncture is applied. This also helps to circulate the blood in the ears, eliminate ear infections, and relieve inflammation of the ear.
The second cause of tympanitis is heat in the gallbladder. This is an iris machine. Oriental medicine uses this machine to detect abnormalities of the internal organs. This machine verifies that patients with tympanitis show unusually high levels of heat in the gallbladder. To understand how Oriental medicine works, one must understand the 경락 or meridian theory. 경락 is a path of life energy or ki in our bodies. All bodily organs are linked to these lines. According to the meridian theory, the ears are connected to the liver and gallbladder. Thus, the ears can become infected whenever the liver and gallbladder have a fever. Therefore, Oriental medicine treats tympanitis patients by curing the liver and gallbladder. In addition, since tympanitis is caused by fever in these parts, it is important to lower the fever. Now, let's find out about herbal treatments used to cure tympanitis. There's quite a few herbs here. What is this remedy used for?
These herbal ingredients are well known and are used for the making of 만형자탕, which will help cure tympanitis. There are 20 herbs used in the process of making this.
So then what are the most representative herbs?
The first and foremost ingredient in 만형자탕 is 만형자. It helps the circulation of the blood and eliminates bad secretions. It also soothes inflammation and brings about normal functioning of the ear. Next is 어성초 that also gets rid of inflammation. 어성초 also eliminates bad secretions. This is 백지. It is good for expelling the bacteria that causes tympanitis. Using 백지 is also a good way of eliminating inflammation and curing tympanitis. Sometimes, these three ingredients are used to make a medicine which is ingested, or to make 약침, a hypodermic injection. Both are good for chronic tympanitis. This treatment is good for the beginning stages of tympanitis, but it works especially well for the long-term symptoms of tympanitis.
Another treatment is called 약침, which is a hypodermic injection of herbal essences.
약침 is a form of acupuncture in which the essence of herbal medicine from 8 herbal ingredients is injected at a 혈 point called a 청궁. 0.1 milligrams of the herbal medicine is applied directly into the 혈 point. This eliminates the infection on the tympanic membrane. Next, 0.2 milligrams is applied directly to the inflammation in the middle ear. As the herbal medicine is applied to the ear, the inflammation is directly treated. Unlike antibiotics, it does not have any side effects because it is made of natural herbs and natural ingredients.
After swimming and bathing, some water can remain in the ear and cause tympanitis. In this case, moxibustion is a good method of healing the infection. For this type of ear infection, 창출 is an effective herbal medicine to use for moxibustion. Tympanitis creates abnormal levels of fluids in the ear. The use of 창출 will alleviate the inflammation and reduce the excessive fluids in the middle ear.
Today, we learned about the various treatments for tympanitis. Regardless of the cause, it is important to treat tympanitis in its early stages. If untreated, this condition can impair your hearing, cause dizziness, and eventually weaken the immune system. That's all we have for today. Thank you for joining us, and see you next time.